send shivers down your spine.
Jeez. Oh. Crap. I bumped into the back of my set. Crap. Hey guys! Tiger here. Back with a spoopy episode of Tiger Cat. Not Tiger Cat. Seriously? Stupid friggin' cat knocking over my tape. My tape. But what will we do about the spoopiness of this video? Will we have jump scares? Add random skeletons? A spooky scary skeleton song? Ooh. Whoa, Bandicoot. Nah, that's a dead meme. What we're gonna be talking about today is nothing, because I don't celebrate Halloween. Bye! Wait, hold on a second. Hey, you! You can't just not do a Halloween video! Joey Joerson! What are you talking about? I was definitely going to record a Halloween video. Well, Tiger, you could possibly do a video on what's scared you before. So, Joey, I haven't celebrated Halloween in I haven't celebrated Halloween since 2016. I just don't really like it that much anymore. I mean, I like the candy. I love the candy. And all that stuff, but the costumes are just horrible. If I were to be going trick-or-treating, I would make my own costume. Because it actually would be high quality. If you don't do it, I shoot. Do it. Do it! Frick. I hate you, Joey. Today, we're going to be talking about the scariest things that I've ever experienced in gaming. Wait a second. Oh my gosh! No, Becca, get it away from me! Oh my god! They are still here! This Halloween, really the scariest thing for me is owning 3 copies of Sonic Forces that I'm not willing to get rid of. That's the scariest part of Halloween for me this year. But let's just actually get into this video instead of beating around the bush. The thing where I was... My gosh! Don't tape blankets to windows, guys. That's what happens. Oh, the whole spoopy atmosphere is completely gone. I hate life so much right now. What was the first video game to truly scare me in my life? It was Iron Man 2 for the Wii! No, I'm not actually joking. That actually terrified me. I had to literally just purge all Iron Man video games from my life, which was like 2, because of it. Basically, what was going on was, I was playing through the game, I was like, oh, this is pretty fun. I'm sorry. Token just sent me messages on Discord. Have you heard about that new Nintendo Direct that they just announced? But basically, there was I was like, it's pretty good. Okay, yeah, I like this. And then there was a level. A certain with a timer. And the timer ran out. Things went negative throughout the whole entire building. It was in a completely empty, dark building. And that gave me nightmares. But nowadays I could probably beat it, like, extremely easily. Without... nightmare free! Yay! Gibbity goobity goobity goo! But yeah, that was really the first thing to ever really scare me. And nowadays, everything's horrifying because I'm a teenager. And oh no. Why does being an adult have to be 4 years away from me? Why? That is scary. That's scary for me. Next thing to truly make me remember that I was even slightly scared by it was the Amazing Spider-Man 1 video game, which is the second best Spider-Man video game. Fight me. Spider-Man PS4 is still the best, though. I mean, how can you doubt my favorite game of all time? But yeah, all I remember is that the crazy creatures in that kind of scared me a little, but it doesn't stop me from completing the game. Although, I don't know why we sold it, because I really liked that game. We returned it back to the store that we bought it from. I don't know why. I really like the game, but I haven't played it since because I haven't been able to. I don't own a friggin' Wii U anymore. Please, Insomniac, add the Amazing Spider-Man 1 suit into Spider-Man PS4, please. And then came the inflow of spoopiness. Games such as this and this. One of those wasn't scary. And then came a game called Five Nights at Freddy's. And the only reason I still even care about it is because the story's really good. And because people can't stop complaining that it's popular. Even today. But yeah, it was pretty spoopy. I first saw it on a YouTube channel that I hate nowadays. And after that, a lot of stuff started coming in. The indie game floodgates opened. I don't know why I did that. And games like Doki Doki Literature Club and Undertale came out. I don't know if I'm gonna cut that out or not. But I need a Halloween video, and it's gotta come out tomorrow for me. So, and today for you guys. So, this just gotta be rushed. Yeah. I'm recording this after I already recorded another Halloween video, which was terrible. Alright, so, Evie, so we got Snickers, Twizzlers, Comipslers, Snimpslers, Supermans, Batmans. You got your hippin' and the hoppin' and the bippin' and the boppin'. A book for some reason. Overrated game. And just a straight up crap one. And I was like, you know what? Just cut it. No, I don't want this. But yeah, then we get on to movies and stuff, and you got Alien, you got Stranger Things, you got Thor: Dark World. That movie is scarily bad.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood.